And one more thing I want to show you is where can you find Composer packages, that is PHP packages which you can install using Composer. So it's very easy. Just go to packages.org in my URL here, packages.org, and you can search for packages which you can install. And one such package that I use a lot in Laravel is Illuminate Support. So Illuminate Support, this is how you can search it at the top here. So support, and let's click on it. So basically, to install a Composer package, you just need to know the name of the package. In this case, it lives in the Illuminate namespace. That is the top namespace of this package. There are a lot of packages that live in Illuminate. So if you type Illuminate, as you can see, there are Illuminate contracts, Illuminate container, Illuminate database. These are all Laravel specific, but the one that I just want to show in this tutorial is this one. So after knowing the name, which is Illuminate/support, to install that, what you want to do is, if you are inside an empty folder, you need to initialize your composer.json file. So how you do that is just type composer init, init, and then now you'll have a wizard running which will ask you a bunch of questions. So for package name, just press enter. It doesn't really matter. We'll cover what all these mean in a different video, but for now just keep pressing enter. So for description, press enter auto, press enter minimum stability, press enter package type, press enter license, press enter. So this part here where it says would you like to define your dependencies interactively, just say no. Basically it's going to ask you to install a bunch of packages, but I want to show you how to do that in a different way. So type no, and type no for the next one as well. Would you like to define your dependencies require def interactively? Say no. Do you confirm generation? You can type yes or just leave it as it is, but I'm going to type yes. So I'll press enter, and now when I do an ls, we're going to have a composer.json in our folder here. Okay, so let's open this folder up in Atom. So I'll do atom./, and as you can see, this is what we have in our composer.json file. Okay, it's very small, and there's not much in it, but there will be some stuff in it soon. So next, what we want to do is install that Illuminate support package. And how you do that is, for now, just type this composer require. Basically, you want to add it to this file here. So this file is what keeps track of which composer packages you have installed. So type composer require and the name of the package, which is Illuminate/support. Okay, so I'll press enter, and that will go to the GitHub URL for this package and pull down everything I need. And there should be a new folder in this folder here called vendors folder, and that's where all your packages live in. So I'll let this install quickly, and I'll resume the video when it's done. Okay, so now that has successfully installed the Illuminate support package, let's go to our folder that we just opened in Atom and see what we have. Okay, so basically it has added one more file called composer.lock. We're going to cover that in other videos, but for now, just know that is a way of locking down your dependencies for your project. Okay, and if you have a look as well in the folder here, we have another folder created which is vendor folder, and this is where all those packages live in, and we're going to cover this folder in depth in another video. But for now, just know that this Illuminate support package is downloaded there. Okay, so basically the reason why I want to install this Illuminate package is that it has some few helpers that helps us work with arrays in a very nice and elegant way. Okay, so I'm just going to create a simple index .php file here, and in there I'm just going to say echo composer tutorial. Okay, so let's go and just launch a quick server up here. So php s host 2006. So that's going to start up a simple PHP server on this URL here. Go to the browser and let's load that up. As you can see, composer tutorial. Okay,